Friday. It's June the 21st. I'm in Zone 7B and it's 4 p.m. in the afternoon, Eastern Time, and it's hot. It's very hot. However, I do want to come out here and do a light harvest. Light. I'm going to keep it light. Well, see what I can get today. I'm really excited because I think some of my corn is ready to harvest. This is my first year ever growing corn, any type of corn. So after doing a little research, I think some of it is ready to harvest, and I'm excited and I'm ready to harvest some of it. Hopefully it's ready. Hopefully we'll see. And I'm going to get some cucumbers and some peppers and tomatoes. I'm very excited. Let's see if we can get out the garden today. So what I've learned, this is my first year ever growing sweet corn, ever growing corn, period. And I had to do some research to find out when to harvest them. And what I've learned is once these start turning brown, it's time to harvest. As you can see, these are not ready. Some of them are getting there, but all of them are not ready. But I have some that are already completely brown that I can harvest. And that's what I'm going to do. And because I am recording, I am going to get my husband to come out here and actually harvest them while I record. Also, I got some cucumbers still coming in. These things are huge. They get huge. They're slicing cucumbers. Got some ghost peppers back there. You see some that I need to harvest. And some Aroma tomatoes. I already harvested some okra this morning, but I might have a couple to harvest today, later. Got some jalapenos. Got the beefsteak tomatoes. And a lot of bell peppers over here. A lot of them. And then banana peppers. Excuse my husband in the background. Got some banana peppers. Eggplant are not formed yet, but I have a bunch of flowers. And look at my plum tree. It is full of plums. We're also going to harvest those because the squirrels have been eating them. And some of them are like rotting on the tree. So we got to harvest those as well. And the squirrels just have been destroying them. So we got to get these off of here. They look like peaches. They're humongous. So, like, this is kind of small. So, I don't, and it still got some green on here. So, I'm not going to harvest that one yet. Give this a good drink of water. Let's walk around here. Okay, this one is a good size, so let's try this one. And you just snap it. I'm just gonna give it a little twist like that and snap it. See? Don't break it. Don't break the whole thing, though. Gentle. Keep twisting it. Yeah. So let's take a look. So I'm just gonna open this. See, it ain't quite ready yet. You see that? It's not ready. It's too early. The red ones. So this is all the corn I ended up with today because they're not ready, and I'm not going to ruin them by harvesting all of them. Cucumbers are not quite ready. Let's get these tomatoes. Come on, babe. Ooh, these rocks are hot. Alright, this My other corn is finally growing in. I watered yesterday. I haven't watered today yet. Not until later on. All the cayenne peppers. That's why I thought I said you'll get them later. Okay, so this is what I ended up harvesting today. I took a picture inside because it is hot. But we got 3 ears of corn, we got some serrano peppers, 2 okra, banana peppers, 1 ghost pepper, some jalapenos, tomatoes, and 2, 4, 6 humongous cucumbers. And I also got some lemongrass that I tied up. Yes, happy growing.